Hi, this is Star White of StarWhiteReviews.com. Welcome to my FLIIK review. And if it's the first time you've been here, please click the subscribe and the bell button below, and that you don't miss a new video, and gives it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you feel it deserves. And what is FLIIK? FLIIK is a comparison video. It's going to compare products for you that you can sell either from Amazon, eBay, or ClickBank, and it does a comparison for you. So these are things people are already looking for. So it's basically doing the selling for you. And especially if the holidays are coming, this is really a smart thing to do. This is my bonus page, and you can watch this video at your own pace, and you have to just click on any of these gold buttons that so that you make sure that you get my bonuses that are all listed below. And what are the bonuses? I'm going to give you Super Affiliate Glenkowski's Info Product Vault, which is priceless and training. I'm going to give you 0 Hour Work Dates, which is by Brandon Mace, who's a super affiliate. I'm going to give you free access to Method to 1,500 plus per month. I'm going to give you Method to Building 5-Figure Income free access video and more. That's also super affiliate training. I'm going to give you bonus total newbie 214.83 per hour, which is awakening full access. I'm going to give you bonus 10K a month passive income system, which is full training access. And I'm going to give you explode your commissions 10 times, which is by Brenda Mace, who is, we know is a super affiliate. And after your purchase, you just go to Warrior Plus, and in your where it says that what you bought, it will be in your affiliate bonus will be right here, and if you went to JV's, it will be right here. So like I said, all you have to do is press on any of these gold buttons that say click here to get your copy of your bonuses, so that you get it before that the timer runs down. Now we're going to go over to the review page, and this is FLIIK. 40,000, 80,000 hits in 48 hours. Little guy affiliate system generates massive daily results without the cost. Simple comparison system. Currently beating corporate giants. Full system reveal below. Excuse me. Unique customer-friendly review generation application. Cloud-based. Use only on any device anywhere. Simple 3-step evergreen formula. Automatically generates product comparisons for videos and hubs. This is what I explained to you. Automatically generates the product comparison. So people are already looking for these and hunting for these, so that they look at the comparisons and most likely they buy it. So you really didn't have to sell it. The comparison did. Genuine income 24/7, 365 days a year potential. Hijack commissions for any product purchased. Works on both physical and digital products. Instant free traffic and organic placement multi-platform syndication. Delivers rapid ethical method results. Works on thousands of niches. 100% newbie friendly. No additional cost. Includes full training. You only pay once for this right now. It's going to go up to a monthly fee, so I suggest if this is something that you're interested in, that you want to do, that you do it now, because otherwise it's going to cost you monthly to have this system. And there is oodles of more of information on here. So I suggest at your own time you go through it, because there's just way too much here to read. But this is really a great thing. See, and this shows you how many, this had 1.3 million views. Well, it shows you people are searching for things. So if they're searching for things, they're going to compare things, they're going to buy things. Let's go over and go into the actual, this is the dashboard. But I went to tutorials first because it wasn't loading really fast, so you can see how many tutorials they have in here. Everything is, they went to great length, and everything is explained in detail. It's really easy to follow, and anybody can set this up. It tells you how to put it, even if you want to put it on your WordPress. And ClickBank, the leading global retailer. How did you get your eBay keys? How to connect to Dropbox and upload it? How to get Vimo API keys? Just pretty much everything. They've left absolutely nothing out. So this is really a great, easy program. And there are oodles of bonuses over here that they gave you also from FLIIK bonuses. Plus you'll get my bonuses when you log in. And I'd make you one, but it seems like everybody's already made a bunch of videos, so I can't because there's only allowed 3. The whole point is you just click create campaign, then it would take you to compare. At compare, you just click in like iPhone or tenths or whatever, and then you can choose as many as you want. It makes the video for you. You just upload your video to YouTube, and boom, they start getting hits, and it compares it all for you. And all you have to do is enter your affiliate links into it. It'll show you and compare where to do that, or in the tutorials, I mean. It'll show you where to do that, and you start making money. So this is a really great program for anybody that wants to start making money, especially now that it's getting toward the holidays. A lot of this stuff is really going to be, people are going to be searching for like iPhones and things for holidays, Christmas clothes, whatever, you name it. Whatever people buy online, especially with the COVID-19, now everybody's purchasing things online. So remember, don't forget what I told you about the bonus offer, that you don't want to miss out on that. So make sure you just click on any of these orange links to get your bonuses from me. And this is really a great program, so make sure that you go check it out. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to click that video and the bell at the bottom and the subscribe button. Talk to you later.